So food and its components play a major role in our life. Whether we are baby, we are young children, or a complete grown-up man, our body grows at a rapid rate. Our body grows a rapid rate until a particular age. These components of food are required for fueling our growth, and maintaining our body after the growth has stopped. Clear? So what are the main components of the food? Major components of food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are the major components of food. Now, why carbohydrate is important? Carbohydrate is the primary source of energy for our body. Carbohydrate provides us energy. Carbohydrate gives energy to our body. Okay, so it's a primary source of energy for our body. Second is a protein. Protein is very important for our body repair, build and renew the organs and the damaged tissue in our body. Why protein is important? Basically the protein is for repairing of our body cells and renewal of the organs and damaged tissue. And why fats are important? Fats are important because fats plays a vital role in the freight system of transporting multivitamins throughout the body. हमारी body में vitamins को transport करने के लिए fats are very important. And vitamins and minerals are very important for our body, but these are not required on a daily basis. Why? But it's still essential for healthy living beings. So हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि we should eat all the fruits, we should eat all the vegetables because they are the main sources of vitamins. And with that, water is very important. For our body because in water is like an inorganic substance that helps in the preparation of food inside our body, and water also helps our tissue, spinal cords and joints. So water is also very important. Water and fiber, carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water and fiber. It's clear? ये आपको I have just given the basic idea of about food, what are the main sources of food and the components of food. So now start this chapter. Okay. What did you eat at home today? Find on what your friend ate today. Did you eat the same kind of food yesterday and today? We all eat different kinds of food at different times, isn't it? Yes. In breakfast we eat something different, then in lunch also we eat different kind of varieties food, and in dinner also we eat vegetable chapati. Okay, so food variety, so there are so many variety of food are there. So let's start few activities given in this chapter. First activity, ask your friend in the school about the items they would be eating during a day. वो कह रहे हैं in your school, whenever your school will open, you go and you can make this table, student's name, your friend name and food items eaten in a day. तो जैसे यहाँ पे इन्होंने हेयर आप देख सकते हो in figure 1.1 different food items you can see in this picture. There idli, sambar and chutney, and in this bowl here is a fish and some kind of vegetable curry. So it's different kind of variety because these all are the plant resources and animal resource. Okay, and this vegetable curry, it's a mixture of all the vegetables, spices, oil, everything. So different kind of varieties there. There seems to be so much variety in the food that we eat. What are these food items made of? अच्छा, फिर आपको then you just think कि किससे ये बना है. जैसे like idli is made of urad dal and rice. So two ingredients are there, urad dal and rice. So different kind of ingredients are there. And then sambar, so many vegetables are there. Then pulses and then all the spices and chutney. This is the coconut chutney. So all ingredients are different. think about rice cooked at home. We take raw rice, we take raw rice and boil it with the water. So just two ingredients are there to prepare boiled rice. Two ingredients we require. First is rice and second is water. On the other hand, some food items are made with many ingredients. This kind of vegetable curry mein we need different kind of vegetables, salt, spices, oil, and so many ingredients are there. Second is activity 2. Choose some of the items you listed in table and try to find out what ingredients are used to prepare this by discussing with your friends. See, here's the food item. First is roti and chapati and second is the dal. So what ingredients are there in roti? Atta and water. First we have to make dough with wheat flour and with water, and then we'll make the chapati. Second is dal. For dal ke liye pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee, spices. Okay, so these ingredients will use to make dal. This is the food variety. Actually, we are studying about the food variety. What do we find? Do we find some ingredients common in different food items? Yes, sometimes. Food materials and sources. अब वो बोल रहे हैं it may be easy for us to guess the sources of some of the ingredient that we listed in table. Fruits, vegetables, and fruits, vegetables, green vegetables, pulses, and all the grains that come from the plants are the main sources. And then there are food items like milk, eggs, and meat which come from the animals. Okay, now this is the activity third. Let us take the food item listed earlier and find out what they come from, the ingredients and their sources. See, here you can see the paddy field, wheat grain or rice field. So now what will we do? We will make one list. Here food items are written, what are the ingredients we are using to make these food item, and what are the sources. Like idli, there are ingredients: rice, urad dal, salt, and water. 4 ingredients are there. Acha, rice, the main source of rice is plants are the sources of rice. Urad dal, same, plant. And salt we get from the seawater. When seawater get evaporated in the seawater get evaporated in the salt pan, so we get salt. And water, the main source of water is rain. Clear? Second is chicken curry. The main ingredients are chicken, spices, oil and ghee, and water. The source of chicken is animal. Spices, all the spices we get from the plants. And oil and ghee, plants and animals. Few oils like sunflower oil, soya bean oil we get from the plants, and like ghee we get from the milk. So milk कहाँ से आता है? Milk from the cow, buffaloes. So the main source of ghee is animals. And water from rain. The third is kheer, milk, rice, sugar. Milk we get from the animal, rice from plants, sugar also sugarcane plants. What do we conclude from activity third? Plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables, and fruits. And animals provide us with milk, meat products, and eggs. Cows, goats, and buffaloes are some common animals which gives us milk. And फिर milk से and milk products, like milk से हमारे क्या बनते हैं? All milk products like butter, cream, cheese, curd, ये सब used all over the world.